Okay, for me personally, thank you, Amar, for the patience shown with us. It was a long day, but it was quite an eye-opening view of how we see the cybersecurity or the response around it. In my consulting role, as you may imagine, I deal with and discuss with many customers on their point of view. And this course just gives me a different perspective about how we should look some specific scenarios. And one thing that I would take away but not try to remember is you said SIEM tools, SIM tools are of no use or not of better use. So, because in my role, I do support customers who are actively using it, who implemented it last year and want to implement also now. So, thank you, Amar.